I see so many of you are watching. Nice to know. So I'll be keeping a lot of topics like this on esoteric sciences. What else do you want to ask me about Rahu? Please ask me. Yes, you can pray to anybody whom you want. The thing is whether you have faith. Your faith is more important than your prayer. Okay, remember that. Yeah. They are not overconfident, they are stubborn. And they are intelligent. So 13, if you're born on any of these dates, 22nd is a master number. They are born for very big things in life. Number 22, don't take your life lightly. I mean to say, you're someone who's very talented and you're born for something great in life. So number 22 is watching me. They're also number 4 and 31st. Yeah. What else do you want to ask me? So yeah, struggle is part of your life, okay? That is because Rahu will force you to work hard. And one thing I want to tell you about number 4 is they are good friends. They are very reliable. What else? You want to know and ask me? I'm waiting. Kids are born on the 13th who are watching. So the same applies to you. You don't have to worry about them. They are very hardworking and intelligent students. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. So Rahu is a fire element, okay? So they can be hot-tempered also. So be careful with their tempers. What else? So once they're your friend, they'll be like your friends forever. Okay. Again, they are extreme people. So you'll have to watch out for those qualities. Okay. So any suggestions for number 4 people is do not doubt yourself, okay, and you need to leave the doubting nature that you have, otherwise you will let a lot of opportunities slip from your hands. And because it is a fire sign, okay, you do have hot tempers. Make sure that you drink a lot of water, cool water, okay. Wear silver. What else? Avoid spending money unnecessarily, because mostly Rahu, they always have money, okay. Money always comes to them somehow or the other. So money just falls into their lap, because like I said, Rahu is connected with money and mind, material and the mind as well. So because you always have money with you, what you will do is you tend to spend unnecessarily. So learn to curb your expenses. Make sure that whatever comes in, you don't spend everything. What do you think differently from others, okay? So if you see a person who wants to bring about changes in society, they want to bring in new rules, they want to be in the government, they are going to come up with something new and revolutionary, okay? People with this number. I only read personalities based on numerology. I don't get into anything beyond that, changing a person's name, using different letters. No, I don't fiddle with that, those aspects, or prayer to a particular planet. I don't do any of those things. All I know is that when you read a person's date of birth and the planets that they come up with, those readings are very accurate, because it helps you understand the personality and mindset of the person. And why am I doing numerology is because when clients come to me for a tarot session, I also include numerology in that, but I never have put it up in any of my services section, okay. I just want to give an added benefit or surprise element when you take a tarot reading. So whenever you're doing a tarot reading with me, I also look into your numerology chart, not just your date of birth and your full date of birth. I also do a chart reading for you from the numerology aspect when you're doing a tarot reading with me, okay. So a lot of other things come up in that chart. Yes, Vimal is right. Number 4 people are very, very stubborn people. They're extremely stubborn. So yeah, expect that as well. And Taruna's son is 22nd September. Yeah, he's a master number 22. So master number 22 are special numbers. So there are only 2 master numbers, number 11 and number 22. So your son is number 22. So it's a master number. Okay, so on that note, if anyone has any questions for me, if you're adding up your total date of birth, that's your destiny number.